Hello and welcome to another brand new Munimade painting for Munimade Mondays. We've got a new Kat Fedora. I just want to sing the whole video. I'm so excited about this Kat Fedora. She is one of my favorite artists. We'll talk more about her and about some special things coming up in a few months. But let me introduce myself if you are new to Munimade's channel. My name is Shay, and I do have my own YouTube channel called Crafting with Shay. Em and I do partner together and collaborate to make these videos. But if you want to see some more diamond painting content, come check me out. My link will be down below, and I'm happy to have you. Let's go hang out over there too, all right? Okay, so, oh my goodness. Now, let me just, if y'all want to, I'm sure you're diamond painting too maybe, but just look up for a sec. I just have to show you. There's so many things going on. It's gorgeous. Now, if you are familiar with Kat Fedora, you'll recognize her artwork, okay? So it's beautiful. And if you're not, here's a new artist that I can introduce you to. So here, now she's definitely, her artwork I would describe as very whimsical, okay? Very whimsical. She's got some gorgeous paintings. Munimade has other Kat Fedora paintings. They might be out of stock right now, but restocks are coming. So yes, these are just gorgeous. They are licensed, okay? So Kat Fedora's, does get paid for these. Let's just take a look at this picture. So right here, I almost feel like we are looking, it's almost like we are looking into like a window, right? Like we are standing almost in the garden. It's almost like this garden around us, the frame, it's like a frame. And this is almost like a picture is what it reminds me, almost like a mirror. That's what I saw when I saw this painting. Now, the name of this painting is called the Garden Cottage. Okay, here's the original artwork. It's so, so pretty. One thing that Em and I were talking about Kat Fedora, in most of her paintings, if not all, she always has, she has a lot of cats. You can see a little cat sitting here on the fence, okay, a black cat. She also has the crescent moon. There's one right here. There's also a really big crescent moon, really bright green, different shades of green right here. And I noticed she also likes to have the kind of cozy, it really makes it feel cozy to me, kind of a little smoke. Smoke coming out of cabins, coffee, tea, just kind of like warm and cozy smoke. And of course, stars, she does a lot of stars, but this painting is so beautiful. I cannot wait to work on this. So again, we've got a cottage right in the center. We've got a garden. We've got some bees right here. There's a moth, okay? Gorgeous flowers, more bees. We've got moths, bees, moths, bees, kind of like all throughout. Okay, there's another bee and these gorgeous flowers and leaves. And then in here, you've got the cottage, almost like with a hay roof is what it looks like. And then it's got the clothesline right here, which we'll see some specialty drills in the clothesline and in the lights of the cottage. Got the night sky. It's just so, her paintings are, like I said, she is quickly becoming one of, if not my favorite artist, okay? So let's talk about this painting, you guys. Now that we've got a good idea of what we're gonna be looking at here, let me give you all the details. So this entire sheet you will get with your painting, this entire thing is a sticker. So you can do different things with it. What I do is I cut off this section and I put this in my logbook. A logbook is where you put your start, your end date. It's got all that stuff here for you. So let's look. The Garden Cottage by Kat Fedora. It is a square. For all you square lovers, it's got square-shaped diamonds. The diamond count is 72,000. The image size is 60 by 75 in centimeters, and then she's got inches listed there too. And there is your SKU number. This will also be on the diamond painting itself and the drill pack, okay? Now, you've got 80 colors, so gorgeous. I mean, the color palette here, we've got the yellows, the greens. We'll look at all the special drills over here in a minute. It's just beautiful. Now, all of these, again, stickers, right? These are individually cut, so you can just peel and move your drills over to storage containers and stick these on there. If you don't want all this information, Em also just gives you just the symbol cut separately, which I really like that. I just used that recently, just the symbol. Now, at the end here, you see all the special drills are highlighted right there. So we have a lot. It's a lot. Okay, so ND signifies shimmer. We'll look at those as a lighter coating on the drills. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmer drills, and then AB, Aurora Borealis, it's a heavier coating on those drills. 1, 2, 3 of those, and she does give you extra labels as well, okay? So this sticker sheet is awesome. In addition to, she gives you a little tag, and it's got like a little stretchy band on it. I've told you all this before. It comes in I mean, I keep finding, if you have, by the way, comment down below if you have other purposes for this and other ways you've used it other than what I'll mention, okay? Because I'm very, very curious. I love this tag. It's like on heavy cardstock. What you can do is you can use this to roll around your diamond painting until you work on it, so it keeps it rolled up. You can also put it in the pack of drills, actually in the drills like this, okay? So you know what goes to what. You can also attach it to your telescoping art tube, which I'll show you guys at the end. You can put it on that. You can put it in your logbook. You can show your friends. You can also store it. I do that sometimes too with mine. I'll go ahead and like put it in my box, my storage where all the drills, so I know what painting, if I've got multiple whips going on, works in progresses. Yes, and it's got the original artwork. So pretty. I love these big white flowers. It's almost like a sun. It's like a sun back here, signifying almost like a sun, but yet it's like a flower. All right, so let's go over this painting, all right? So again, we've got Munimade up at the top, got our logo. You've got your legend all the way down here on the bottom left. You have another legend, depending on where you're at in the diamond painting and what you need to refer to. You have another legend with a thumbnail on the top left. It's got all the details right here. I do love that M puts 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5. So good, so we don't get confused. And then there's another thumbnail down here. It's got all the information again down here. And then the website, and then of course we want to support the artist, okay? Definitely go follow Kat Fedora. I have fallen in love with her as far as her artwork, but then her personally. She's got a really cool stuff, and the stuff that she does personally is really cool. So, all right, where should we start? Now, because there are 80 colors, we have got 2 packs of drills, and I'll show you all the color palette. Very nice, okay? It does say 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, so you know you've got 2. These are individually bagged and in order, okay? I pulled out all the special drills that were at the end of the bag. So yes, there's a lot of black. This is all 310. And you can see in Kat Fedora's artwork, it's all the black outline. It's almost like that stained glass look. It really is gonna make everything pop, all those colors. So yeah, everything is gonna be outlined. So you're gonna have a lot of the black, which is what you'll see here, multiple bags of that, okay? And here are the other colors. So pretty. I mean, just the colors of the rainbow. I have really fallen in love with her art. Okay, so I did pull out the special drills so I could go ahead and show you guys, and I just kind of took some notes of where they go. So we are gonna start from the top, and I'm gonna show you guys where these go, and I will place them there and leave them there. Okay, so our first shimmer drill, so you can see, let me see if I can get without the label. You can see it's got just, yep, see that really, it's like just a dusting, okay? Light dusting, I love it. It's very subtle. I love it because you can still see the color of the drill. So that's 166, okay? So it's this lime green. That is gonna be in our crescent moon over here, okay? It's gonna be all in this lime green right here. Oh, that moon is really, she definitely likes crescent moons. So that's gonna go there, okay? Our next one is 349. And there's just a few of these, okay, just a sprinkle, but again, it's another shimmer. You can see that, it's 349. It's like a light, kind of a light red. That's gonna go in here on that blanket on the clothesline. See that red design on that? I think it's a blanket sheet. Yeah, it's gonna go in there. So that little detail right there in the center of the painting is gonna pop. I love that. All right, our next one is 740 shimmer. Oh, we've got the bright orange. I love this color. This is gonna go in the cottage, the flower, and the moth, okay? So they've got it in multiple places, okay? So this one right here, you can kind of see it in the orange, okay? And I know I should probably zoom you all in a little bit. I just wanted you to see all the beauty. So it's all the orange you see right here, okay? That's gonna be in the cottage. I also see it in the orange of the moth right here. So I've kind of got it in different places. And it's also in the flower up here. Whoops, let me show you. Whoops, there you are. Yep, all the orange right here is gonna be that shimmer drill. So I'm just gonna place that right there. Oh, I lost my green. Let me zoom y'all back out so we can see the whole thing, but not my toes. All right, so the next one we have, okay, that goes on the blanket. That's the moon. Next one we have is 907. That is another fun green. There's a good size, another shimmer drill, good size bag of that. This is a popular color, and I really do like this one. This is gonna be in the big crescent moon, okay? That moon is gonna have so many different things going on, which is, it makes sense, because like you know, it's a big part of the picture in the corner over here. So that will go there. Let me see if I can zoom you out just a little bit more. Is that all we get? Okay, that's all we get for now. 963 is a small bag. It's this pale pink shimmer. See that? Very, 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 very pretty, very soft would be my description for that. It's the flower next to the big crescent moon. So you've got a little pink right here. And it's also in the moth, okay, over here and here. So I'm gonna put it right here in that flower, okay? And then our next one is a turquoise shimmer, turquoise 3766, another beautiful colors. It's gonna be in the flowers and in the leaves of the right of the cottage. All right, so this one is gonna be over here. Okay, so it's gonna be kind of like bringing out a little bit of the green that we need to see over here in the leaves. Okay, and 3865 is a very popular color. It's a really pretty white. It's another shimmer. I like the white and shimmer. It's very, very pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. That's a good size bag. That is going to be in the fence. I do see a little bit in the fence right here because you've got to bring out this bottom portion. And then it's also in the stars over the cottage, okay? In these stars over here. It's a little bit up here as well. So probably gonna put it here. I keep losing some of my drills. I think I lost my orange because I'm moving this baby around a lot. Okay, all right, next we have our 3 ABs. Here's our AB colors. Now, you see that coating is a lot stronger. It's a lot heavier. We've got 702, which is a green. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. I love all the green. Green's one of my favorite colors. So green and yellow and orange and all those like just really bright, fun colors. All right, this is gonna be that Kelly green and it's gonna be in the moon. It's where you see the darker green in the moon. Yep, that moon's gonna sparkle. I feel like singing today, can y'all tell? All right, 743, our next AB. It's like a light, I don't know, light orange, I would say. It's in the light in the windows of the cottage. So it's really gonna show, almost like making you feel like there's light coming through, okay? So we're gonna put that there. And last but not least, we have got 977. Now this is a darker orange. This is going to go in the roof and in some of the moths, okay? So I'm gonna put in that moth over there. So what do you guys think? It's so, so pretty. I love this so much. I did want to announce, I know some of you may know because we've talked about it a little, but I thought this would be the perfect time to also mention it to you that are watching the video. I am going to be hosting on my channel a Kat Fedora event the entire month of September. So this would work out perfectly for that, right? If you already have a Kat Fedora, save it for September. It's gonna be the whole month. We're gonna have Munimade as one of our sponsors. So stay tuned. Make sure you follow my channel for more details, okay? But this would be a perfect painting for it. Let me go ahead and talk about the add-ons that you can do, okay? If you choose to do a premium upgrade, you can do a few different upgrades. You can upgrade to a dust cover bag, okay? Em and I thought purple would be perfect for this painting. These dust cover bags are so nice. I love mine. They keep your diamond painting protected, keep it clean from dust. It fits great in a suitcase. Sometimes some of the harder telescoping tubes don't do that, so this is great. You can also put that tag, like I said, on the end of this drawstring. Yeah, so you'll get a purple bag if you choose. And if you want to upgrade your toolkit, we are going to offer you a large teal. Now this is just a swatch, okay? It's not quite large enough, but yes, this is just a swatch. You will get a large 3D printed tray. It's a great way to get a Munimade tray, and it will have a lid and a stopper included in it, okay? Along with these, Em also includes some really fun, she gives you an organza bag that's got some really cool stuff inside of it. You'll get a novelty pin, a cover minder, you get washi tape, a pot with blue wax, you get tweezers, a pen. She also put some other fun goodies in there. So this is also included with your tray. And just to let you guys know, you can get a free toolkit if you need one, okay? Here's what the toolkit looks like. A lot of us don't need toolkits. We already have some things already. So to save on waste, this is not included unless you check that box. So if you're new to diamond painting or you just need an extra toolkit, go ahead and click that and we'll send you one, okay? So that is that. And here is that telescoping art tube I was referring to. I love, love mine. Add this to your cart if you don't have one already. I'm about to go to a diamond painting retreat, and this one's coming with me, my sample. Like I said, depending on the size of your painting, all you have to do is just extend the strap, okay? And you just notch it, and it gets really, really long. So these are amazing for plane rides, car rides, going over to a friend's house. There's just, I mean, they're amazing. And then I also hang that tag, that handy dandy tag, right off the end of this. And in my craft room, I've got shelves in my closet, and I can see what the diamond paintings are that are hanging off of these, okay? So I think that's it. What do you guys think? Do you love this? I know I want to show you the painting again. I got to show you. So yeah, grab this if you, and maybe if you've never seen Kat Fedora's artwork, I'm so excited to like introduce you to her. I am 6 months ago, I guess I found out about her or so, and I am just in love. I mean, her artwork is so beautiful. So yes, so this is gonna be this week's release. So y'all know, if you can hear the sound of my voice, this is available now on Munimade.com. Go grab it. Love you guys so much. Be sure and click thumbs up, like, give us some comments, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye guys.